Hello and welcome. In this video I am going to discuss what are tables in HTML. So let me tell you, the tables are used to organize and display data in a structured format of rows and columns. They are created using a set of specific HTML tags. So let's create a table. Let's say I set the border of 1 and inside table first I will create a table row. Inside table row I will have a table heading. Let's say I use a name and then I use the table heading of age. Let me show you. There is table row and inside table row there are two headings, name and age. Let's move on. Next I will create another table row and here I add a table heading. And let's say name is equal to only and age is equal to, let's say, 22. And you can see there is table row and table heading with name and age. Now if you want to add more, you simply have to add table row, and inside table row we add table heading. Let's say I add a name and again I add a age. So this is table with 3 rows and 2 columns. That's how we create a table inside HTML.